Good morning. Welcome to English class. Today we are learning new lesson. That is, if I met. In this lesson, this girl and boy, they are going to meet some animals. Okay? And we are listening some sounds also. What are those animals and what are those sounds? Let us know. Okay, children? Look at page number 2020. This is your lesson. If I met. Okay? Go through that lesson. I am reading that. If I met a crow, I should say ka ka. What is the sound of crow? Ka ka. Have you observed, children, any crow? Outside your house, sitting on the tree, crow says ka ka. Okay? Next. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a dog, I should say bow wow. If I met a dog, I should say bow wow. If I met a frog, I should say croak croak. If I met a frog, I should say croak croak. If I met a cat, I should say meow meow. If I met a cat, I should say meow meow. If I met a duck, I should say quack quack. If I met a duck, I should say quack quack. If I met a crocodile, I should say nothing at all. I should just run away. Okay? Crocodile is very dangerous animal, no? We should not stay there. We should run away. Next, regarding these sounds, we have one rhyme. Do you know, children? You all know it. Yes, that is Old MacDonald. Yes, sing along with me. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Got it? Okay, repeat. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he has some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here, with a chick chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, with a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, with a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, children, you sing that song, practice that, okay? Okay, children, take page 2121. Here we have animal pictures. Pictures of animals. We need to write their sounds. Okay? I will show you. Write it down. What is the first picture? Dog. What is the sound of the dog? Dog barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. Dog barks. Next, second picture. Cow. Cow moo. Cow moo. Duck. Third picture. Duck. Duck quack. Q-U-A C-K, quack. Duck, quack. What is the fourth picture? Cock. Cock, crow. Crow. It says cocorocolo. That sound we call it as crow. Cock, crow. What is the fifth picture? Tiger. What is the sound of tiger? Tiger roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. Tiger roars. Next. What is the sixth picture? Horse. Horse neighs. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. Horse neigh. Next. What is the seventh picture? Sheep. Sheep bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S. Bleats. Sheep bleats. What is the eighth picture? Donkey. Donkey brays. B-R-A-Y-S. Brays. Donkey brays. Next, what is the ninth picture? Frog. Frog croaks. C-R-O-A-K-S. Croaks. What is the tenth picture? It is cat. Cat says meow. M-I-A-O-W. Meow. Repeat, children. Dog barks. Here R is there, it is silent. Okay? We are reading animals and their sounds. Repeat, children. Dog barks. Cow moo. Duck quack. Cock crow. Tiger roars. Horse neigh. Sheep bleats. Donkey brays. Frog croaks. Cat meow. Okay, children, welcome to maths class. Take out your maths notebooks. Today we are writing number names 61 to 70. Okay, write neatly, children. Give finger gap and write. Write on the line. Say and write. 61. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. O-N-E-1. 61. 62. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. T-W-O-2. 62. 63. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 63. 64. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. F-O-U-R 4. 64. 65. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. F-I-V-E 5. 65. 66. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. S-I-X 6. 66. 67. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. S-E-V-E-N 7. 67. 68. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. E-I-G-H-T 8. 68. 69. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. N-I-N-E 9. 69. 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. Okay, children, welcome to science class. In the last class, we have completed lesson 2, food for health, and we have completed these exercises also, fill in the blanks, right? Today, we are writing question answers. I will write down answers on the board. You write down neatly in your textbook. Okay, practice in notebook also. Okay, children? Now, first question. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Tell me. We need food to live. We need food. F-O-O-D. Food T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. We need food to live. Say and write. Give finger gap. We have to say with spelling. W-E-B-N-E-E-D, need. F-O-O-D, food. T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. We need food to live. Okay. Second question. What kind of food should we eat? We should eat clean and fresh food. Okay? Write down. Say and write neatly. W-E-B-S-H-O-U-L-D, should eat clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean and fresh food, F-R-E-S-H, fresh, F-O-O-D, food, fresh food. We should eat clean and fresh food. Second answer. Third question. Name some food items we eat. What are the food items we eat? Write down. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Chapatis, C-H-A-P-A-T-I-S, chapatis. Rice, R-I-C-E, rice. And curry, C-U-R-R-Y, curry. Bread, butter, chapatis, rice and curry. Fourth question. How often do we eat daily? Means how many times do we eat daily? We eat 3 times. Okay? Write down. We eat W-E-E-T, eat 3 times. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-I-M-E-S, times a day. We eat 3 times a day. Next, fifth question. What do children like to eat? Children like to eat sweets, ice cream, cakes and biscuits. Write down. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children like to eat sweets, S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets, ice cream, I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream, cakes, C-A-K-E-S, cakes, and biscuits, B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. Children like to eat sweets, ice cream, cakes and biscuits. Okay? Repeat along with me, children, one time. Why do we need food? We need food to live. Second question. What kind of food should we eat? Answer. We should eat clean and fresh food. Third question. Name some food items we eat. Bread, butter, chapati, rice and curry. Fourth question. How often do we eat daily? We eat 3 times a day. Fifth one. What do children like to eat? Children like to eat sweets, ice cream, cakes and biscuits. Okay. In page number 124, write down all these answers. After that, second bit, fill in the blanks. Okay, write this. Now I am telling it on the board. First read the question. Next answer it. First question. We have our dash in the morning. What do we have in the morning? Breakfast. BREAKFAST fast. Breakfast. రోజు టిఫిన్ తినాలి, స్కిప్ చేయకూడదు. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ తప్పకుండా తినాలి. పొద్దున్నే పాలు తాగాలి పిల్లలు. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? We take our dash at night. What do we take? Dinner or supper? SUPPER. Supper. Third question. Food help us to grow. 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 Food help us to grow. Food makes us dash and dash. Food makes us strong. STRONG. Strong and healthy. 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 Okay, strong and healthy. Fifth one. We have our dash in the afternoon. What do we have in the afternoon? Lunch. 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 Now repeat along with me. We have our breakfast in the morning. We take our supper at night. Food helps us to grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. We have our lunch in the afternoon.
హలో పిల్లలు, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ తెలుగు క్లాస్. ఈ రోజు మనము ఆ నుండి బండిరా వరకు ఆల్రెడీ మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసాం, రాయడం చదవడం అన్ని. ఈ రోజు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఆ నుండి బండిరా వరకు నోట్బుక్ లో 5 టైమ్స్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, 5 టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నోట్బుక్ లో 2 టైమ్స్ రాయండి, రఫ్ బుక్ లో 3 టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్, ఎక్స్ట్రా 3 టైమ్స్, టోటల్ 5 టైమ్స్. ఓకే, పేజ్ నంబర్ 4 టు పేజ్ నంబర్ 12 వరకు మనకి ఇప్పటి వరకు అయిపోయిన వర్క్. ఓకేనా? ఇవన్నీ మరి మీరు డైలీ పిక్చర్ రీడింగ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఈరోజు మనము పేజ్ నంబర్ 13 లో ఒక సాంగ్ ఉందన్నమాట. బర్డ్స్, ఇవన్నీ బర్డ్స్, యానిమల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. పిల్లలు ఎలా అరుస్తారు అనేది నేర్చుకుందాం. ఇంటి మీద కోడి కుకురుకో. సాంగ్ నేమ్ ఏంటి? ఇంటి మీద కోడి కుకురుకో. స్టార్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, లుక్ ఎట్ ఆన్ ద బుక్. దీనిని నేర్చుకోండి. ఇంటి మీద కోడి కుకురుకో. చూడండి, కోడి ఇంటి మీద ఉందా? ఇంటి మీద కోడి కుకురుకో. ఇంటిలోని పిల్లి మ్యావ్ మ్యావ్ మ్యావ్. ఇంటి ముందు కుక్క బౌ బౌ బౌ. ఇంటి వెనుక ఆవు అంబా అంబా అంబా. ఇంటి పక్క కాకి కావ్ కావ్ కావ్. చెట్టు మీద కోయిల కుహు కుహు కుహు. చెరువులోని కప్పలు బక్ 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 బక్. చెరువులోని చూసారా కప్పలు? బక్ 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 బక్. బడిలోని పిల్లలు పక్క 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 పక్క. ఓకే, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక సాంగ్ లాగా నేర్చుకుందాం. మీరు అయితే ఒకసారి చూసి చదవండి, నెక్స్ట్ సాంగ్ లాగా నేర్చుకోండి. ఇంటి మీద కోడి కుకురుకు కుకురుకు. ఇంటిలోని పిల్లి మ్యావ్ మ్యావ్ మ్యావ్. ఇంటి ముందు కుక్క బౌ బౌ బౌ. ఇంటి వెనుక ఆవు అంబా అంబా అంబా. ఇంటి పక్క కాకి కావ్ కావ్ కావ్. చెట్టు మీద కోయిల కుహు కుహు కుహు. చెరువులోని కప్పలు బక్ 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 బక్. బడిలోని పిల్లలు పక్క 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 పక్క. ఓకే, ఈ సాంగ్ మీరు ఇంటి దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.